There are several tips to get your machine spraying again. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and an old toothbrush. First, with the machine plugged in and upright, turn the power on and look through the front nozzle to see if your brush is rotating. The brush and the spray are driven by the same pulley. If the brush isn't turning, unplug the unit and open the belt access door with a flathead screwdriver. You should see a smooth pump belt. This connects from the motor to the pump pulley. Replace it if it is worn, damaged, or missing. You can replace the brush belt to get your brush working again. This video shows how to change it. With the pump belt intact, replace the belt access cover and recline the unit. Check to see if there is formula in the formula tank and water in the inner bladder of the water tank. Look to see if the red gasket on the bottom is in place. If not, replace it on the tank by using pliers or a screwdriver to lift it out of the base. Make sure it is affixed properly, with the gasket covering the inner and the outer edges of the valve. Press the valve on both tanks with your finger to make sure liquid comes out. Next, check to see if the inline filter is blocked. Unscrew the filter cap, which is also called the flow indicator. There are two small pieces inside, the filter and the spinner. Pull both out and remove any debris by washing and using the brush if necessary. Pour water through the flow indicator to see if water comes through the bottom of the machine. Replace the filter and the spinner. If your 25A3 series has an inline filter below the water tank, it can be unscrewed with a coin. There is only one filter inside to clean off. Now we will check to see if the spray tips are clean and clear. With the tanks aside, flip the machine over, lift up the brush, and with an old toothbrush, remove any buildup. Lastly, check to see if water will spray out of the hose. Replace the tanks, put the handle up, and plug the unit in. Unwrap the hose and remove the tool. Turn the power on and press the trigger on the tool, spraying it away from yourself. The trigger should spring back when pressed. If there is no tension, a service center can assist you in fixing it. If the trigger has tension, but still isn't spraying, the unit may have lost its prime. To prime it, turn the unit off and hold the trigger for 30 seconds. Then turn on and check for the spray. If these steps weren't able to get your machine spraying, you can take it to one of our approved service centers.